Just finishing up spine walls now. Floor's coming next week, so we'll get that on, block and beam. Dig out the middle, get that 300 below underside of beams, and then start getting the brick and block work up outside, which that'll be quite nice. The old weather holds off.
Along the River Severn in Bewdley, there are still worries flood defences could be breached. Nick Green is from the Environment Agency.
Working with councils, the blue light services, the emergency services to clear roads and clear debris and things like that. So it's been quite an intense few days.
And a man has been given a 5-year restraining order after being found guilty.
Right. Whew, fresh one this morning, just on the line with T-Dog. How we doing, T-Dog?
Yeah, what?
Like a rabbit in the headlights. Usually helps. Here comes Auburn. Only man I know to colour his hair ginger. Look at that. What a view. I think it was -10. Centipede, I'm going to move away now. T-Dog. Lead off. Let me run these round the corner a little bit. Got my level. Gone. That's awkward.
Do you really want to hurt me?
Right, spine walls all in. Ready for the floor next week. Young Lucas is just creating a pocket in the wall for the old lintels. T-Dog is bricklaying. And your T-Dog. Look at that. Very nice. And Auburn is keeping us going with the puck. Say hello, Auburn. Good week had by all that.